What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Windows 11 login problem. We will tell you the method and the step you have to use to fix this problem, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Check keyboard. Here you have to check the keyboard that the caps lock is on or it's off and the number lock is on or it's off. If you're using any special character in your password, then you have to make sure that you're pressing that character properly with the use of shift key, and while holding the shift key you have to press that character in your login screen. So you have to make sure everything, and if you have an Outlook account set up on your Windows 11 PC, then what are the things you have to follow, I'll tell you in the last step. Meanwhile, check the keyboard and make sure you are typing the correct password. If you're using any numbers, so you can use the left side of the keyboard. As you can see, there are some number 1 2 3 4, all that numbers on the left side of the keyboard. If you are not able to use the right side and your numbers lock is off or something like that, then try the left side of the keyboard and the numbers. Method 2. Safe mode. Here you have to open the safe mode with networking to check if the password is incorrect only on your main screen or it's not working on the safe mode as well. If you can able to log into the safe mode with networking, then you can able to log into your main screen as well. So what you have to do in here, you have to press and hold it down the shift key. On the left bottom corner you will see the shift key. Press and hold it down. Click on power button in here. Click on restart. Click on restart anyways. While you're restarting your PC, you do not have to release the shift key. While holding the shift key, you have to click on restart, and once you'll have this screen, then you have to release the shift key on your keyboard. Afterwards, click on troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings. As you can see the information in here, restart changes to Windows options such as all the information you can see in here. Click on restart. Here you can see press a number to choose from the option below. Use number key or function key F1 to F9. So here we have to enter into safe mode with networking. So what we can do, we can press F5 on our keyboard. Now the safe mode with networking is loaded on our PC, on our Windows 11 PC. Afterwards, you have to type the password in here and press enter. So as my password is working perfectly fine in safe mode, so I can go back to the main screen. Simply click on this Windows icon, click on the power button, select restart. After restart, it will start loading the normal screen, and here you have to click on the screen and then type the password in to check if that fixes the problem. And you can see I can able to log in my screen. So this is the thing which you have to do to fix this problem. And as I said, if you're using an Outlook account, then you have to do some things. So this is the method 3. Reset Outlook password. Here you have to reset the Outlook password as you have configured your Outlook or the email account in your Windows 11 PC. So you have to reset the password of that login account, and once you'll able to reset the password of your email account, then you can able to log into your Windows 11. If you want to see the video to reset the password of your Outlook account, then the link is given in the description to reset the password of your Outlook account. Or if you want to know how to reset the password about any email address, that how you have to reset the password of any of the email address, do let me know in the comment section. I will surely help you with the steps you have to use to reset the password of your email address, and then you can able to log in into your Windows 11 password by just resetting the password of your email address. So that's all for today. I hope our method and step will help you to fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.